Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this diamond outfit for the birthstone theme in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose all these items and then you're going to make it diamond color. This is for the color hacks. Okay, and for the hairstyle, you're going to make it silver like this. You can choose 3 hairstyles guys. And then you're going to go to the dressing room, and from this dressing room choose this dress from the withered rose set and just only skirt. And then you're going to put on the sleeves as well, and this top make it toggle 3, and the skirt make it toggle 5 and remove the chains. Okay, and then you're going to put on this dress as well from the kids item, remove the chains. And then we're going to change the color to diamond. Okay, you can apply this diamond color for all the selections guys. And then for the material, you're going to make it metallic. Okay, wait, let me change the color. Okay, almost done. And for the material guys, you're going to make them metallic. Okay, I'm gonna go to the material and select metallic. Alright, make it metallic for all the selection. Alright, and now it's done guys, and this is for the final result. And if you want to add the accessory, I recommend you to add the axe from the kids item. Go to the kids item and then put on this axe, and you're going to remove the axe and make it silver. Wait, I'm going to choose the silver color and then also the diamond color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this diamond look for the birthstone theme in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.